how Galaxy AI can really be integrated into our daily lives. But that's not the only update that we have for our Galaxy ecosystem. So I want to introduce to you the new Buds series later on. But just a quick introduction on how our users actually see our product. So next slide. So 58% of our daily users are actually saying that the earbuds is the best companion with their smartphone. And within our Galaxy ecosystem, these people are saying that they're actually having richer experiences when they use these two devices together. And not only that, these people are also saying that the number one driver in terms of why they buy these earbuds is actually because of our sound quality. So even if we have these additive features, these people are actually looking for that really good sound experience. So without further ado, I want to introduce to you what we have to offer with our Buds 4 series. So first off, we have our all-new play design. So I'm sure you guys had a sneak peek of what you saw in the room a while ago. And of course, we have our immersive audio. So this is actually backed up by our hardware updates. And we also have an adaptive control. So that's our ANC and EQ, which you can actually personalize on your own. And of course, our Galaxy AI integration, because what Samsung without that really good seamless connection between our products. So without further ado, I want to formally introduce you the Galaxy 4 series with this video. Yes, so I hope you're all really excited with our product. So it's actually very, very beautiful. So if you'll excuse me, I want to cut across the room. So actually, if you can see, actually really experience our products firsthand. So I want to invite you guys to this earbuds. So I want everyone to imagine your day, like waking up in the morning and preparing for your commute to the office or wherever you need to go. And of course, we do want to have the earbuds with us to listen to music or maybe your favorite podcast. And even when you go to the office or work, of course, we want to get into the zone and listen to whatever music we want to get into. When we hop into a meeting, of course, we still use our earbuds. And even throughout our long day at work or whatever we're doing, sometimes we also need to find time to go to the gym. And when we go to the gym, of course, we can't forget our earbuds also with us. So what I'm just trying to say is, of course, 68% of our smartphone users are actually saying that they only want to use one earbuds throughout all their audio experiences. So I'm actually here to really convince you that our Buds 4 series can do that for you. So first things first is our blade design. So what we have right here is an upgraded premium finish for our Buds 4 blade. So it's very sleek and it's actually very secure to the ear. So what Samsung has actually done for us is we've actually gathered millions of ear data points across the globe. So next slide, please. So we've actually gathered numerous data points and we've also done our 10,000 simulations on how we can really give you the most comfortable earbuds that we can offer you. And not only that, we've also updated our pitch control. So if you can see here, in the next slide, so we can see that in the pitch control, it's actually integrated already for quick interaction for the person. So be it if you want to do a swipe or pitch motion, it's actually very, very easy and convenient for you. Another thing that we have here actually is the cradle. So it's also an updated design wherein the lid is transparent and it actually gives you very effortless storage for your buds. And you can actually kind of like soft test on how your buds actually looks like with this case. And going on, I want to introduce to you that the Buds 4 and Buds 4 Pro will come in your classic black and white. But of course, our Buds 4 Pro is a bit more special because it has the big gold color, which is exclusively available online. So before I go on to sound, I want to invite you outside to the main area so that we can. So of course, one of the most important things that we have for our Buds 4 Pro is hi-fi sound. And what we're able to really see for this is our hardware updates. So it's quite a lot, but basically what we're able to really give is that natural bass and rich treble, and we're able to do this with our updates, with our audio, with our wider woofer and Twitter, and of course our two-way speaker. So how does this really encompass? So next slide. How we're able to do this in terms of the speaker is, of course, when you have a bigger speaker, your sound is actually more quality. So what Samsung is able to do is actually increase the effective area by 20%. So that gives you actually a sound that's nearer to the original. So how can you really imagine this come into play in real life? So how we can do this is actually imagine you want to listen to an orchestra or maybe that acoustic band with your voice. And of course, when you're listening to that orchestra, you're going to be hearing violins with very, very high resonance and probably cellos with release. So these are the things that you can automatically differentiate when you're wearing your Buds 4 series. So it gives you that crispier sound, just like how you can imagine an orchestra being right next to you in the same room. So not only that, our Buds 4 series is actually also with our enhanced adaptive ANC and EQ. So what does that mean? It means that no matter how you wear your buds, because of course, sometimes we forget how we should position it. The Buds 4 Pro series can promise that no matter how you wear it, the ANC feature will automatically give you that vacuum-like experience and really block out the unnecessary sound. Another thing is, of course, enhanced ANC. So of course, we're also very, very busy people. We like to travel. We are always on the go. Sometimes multiple things are happening at the same time. Probably there's a construction going on there. There's traffic sound going on. And we need to listen to probably an important meeting. So what the Buds 4 can offer is really to take out that unnecessary sound and really only give you the sound that you want to hear. And of course, we can't forget. So aside from us having that really nice speaker and sound, of course, it also comes hand in hand with a really good mic. So we have this super clear call that's engraved into our Buds 4 series. So what does this mean? It means that when you're talking and you're probably in a crowd or a busy market, you're actually able to give that clear message you want to the other side. So it can also take out that unnecessary sound in your environment and give that very clear message you want to the other person on the line. So moving on, I want to also explain to you how the Galaxy ecosystem can be integrated with the Buds 4. So this is actually exclusive for our Galaxy smartphone and tablet users. So first thing, their Buds 4 series is actually very convenient. Why? Because we actually don't need to download anymore the Wearables app. We just simply need to open the earbuds and it will connect to your phone. Not only that, it's also very easy to control. So automatically in your quick panel when you drop down on your phone, you can already pick what feature you want to have at that moment and personalize it for you. Also, we have very exciting features. So we've been talking a lot about AI, but how can we do it with our Buds? So first things first is seamless AI access. So what can we do here? So by simply saying, hey Google, we can access Gemini, and we can automatically play our playlist of sound. So imagine you're going to gym and you're probably very busy and can't really handle your phone. You can automatically say, hey Google, and you'll be able to access your Spotify right away. Another thing also is with Bixby. So with Bixby controls, most likely if you have your full Galaxy or Samsung ecosystem with you, you can control your aircon with hands-free. So another really exciting feature that we have is head gesture. So head gesture is something that's really new to our Buds 4 series. So what can this do? So this feature simply says that you don't need your phone with you. You can simply nod your head to answer a call or shake your head to decline it. So no matter where you are, whether you're doing a lot of things, you can automatically access or do whatever you want if you want to maybe take a call or decline it right away. And of course, we can't forget our last feature. So it's also very, very exciting. So we have interpreter. So interpreter has been there actually with our old buds devices, but it's something that's still very, very much relatable to our consumers. So what our interpreter does is very straightforward. It's real-time interpretation with our buds. So I'm sure everyone loves traveling, and of course it's in a foreign country. And if you are curious on what they're talking about, your buds can automatically translate it for you. So even when you're watching probably a K-drama and you're probably lazy to read the subtitles, you can automatically get the translation right away. So just to sum it all up for the Buds 4, basically our Buds 4 series is very personal. So you can do what you want with it in terms of how you want to control your sound, what measures you want to put into it. It's also very immersive. We have a really good hardware update with it. And of course, it's effortless with our Galaxy AI integration.